Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Sleepless AI, or I'll just call it AI in this video. It's one hell of a ticker, of course, or it's one hell of a name for your token. But no, wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I mean, it's been very bullish over the last basically since this morning. It got some bullish momentum. I think I heard like 2 weeks ago or some. I also heard some positive news about it. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find it this quick. I mean, just in general, it's a bit of a weird project. Like I did a full video on this on this at some point of time when it launched. So at the start of January. It's a bit of a weird project, but you can see, I mean, if you look at the technicals right here, I think it's quite obvious to see why this has potential. All right, so I wanted to talk about that. It's going to be a shorter video, I think, because my mind is pretty made up about AI. Hopefully it has value for you. Let me know if it does. Let me know if you have any questions about anything I do. But for now, let's get right into it. All right, so what we saw this morning is, well, first of all, that we got some nice bullish momentum. That's always great to see, but something that is even more important is that we got a huge spike in open interest. So that basically means that a lot of dollars, like $35 million in positions, is opened right now. And the big question obviously is for AI, is technically it's consolidating right here in this area between $1 and 1.4, 1.45. That's technically still our resistance level. So the question is can we break out of this big consolidation? Because that's what we're doing. We're consolidating in that level. And some things you can look at is, well, do we have more momentum right now than the other times we try to? And the short answer is yes, we have way more momentum. The last time we tried to break above this level around 1.4, I would say 1.4 is the main level. The last time we did that, the open interest was $28 million. So we did get some big liquidations right here, and the RSI is a bit high. So getting a bit of a pullback here is not unlikely. I would even say it's the most likely scenario that we'll get a bit of a pullback or settle down. But with open interest like this, I would be very surprised if we don't break out of 1.4 and 1.45 and start rallying. Like my first price target would probably be 1.65, but ultimately 1.75 and $2 are both very much possibilities, both realistic, both psychological levels. I tend to, prices tend to respect those psychological levels. If we look at where the 1.618 is, that's at 1.65. So that would be my first price target. Then afterwards, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I mean, at this moment, I do think this is most likely. The only thing that could happen, that would, or two things that could happen for AI, which would invalidate this idea, is if Bitcoin starts crashing. That would not be great, obviously. Or if we get some really big liquidations higher. But I don't expect that. I think it's more likely we'll get a bit of a pullback, not too much, that will break above that 10 and rally up to 1.65. But those are my thoughts. I mean, like I said, it's Sunday. Sunday and Monday are quite volatile usually. So this is definitely not set in stone yet, especially not while we have not had that bullish breakout. Yeah, looks promising. So I'll keep you updated on this. Keep an eye on this. Monitor it for yourself as well. But for now, these are my thoughts. All right. So if you do have any questions, like I said at the start, let me know down in the comments. Excuse me. And if you want to know when I'm entering a trade on AI and how, etc., consider joining my Signal group. That's up to you. For now, enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye.